Sun is up. Whoa, look at that! I haven't seen a double rainbow in such a long time. Hartman Adventures at them, man. Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Hartman Adventures. This is Dre. Yeah, man, we're out here on another fishing adventure today. I was out here from very early this morning. I got here at 5 AM and it was dark same way, so I couldn't record the intro, so I'm recording the intro now. Just came off the reef, got some nice action out there, so you guys just stick around, wait for the action. But in the meantime, go and hit the like, share, comment, subscribe as well. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss anything that we post. Right? This year the goal is to get to 2,000 subscribers. Hopefully by the end of this year or even more than that. So you guys just help me out, share the content as much as you can share it. But yeah, man, we have a good day out here today. So you guys just stick around, stay tuned, and catch you out on the reef. It's 5 AM. Already there seaside. I don't know if you guys can see that it's a little bit dark now, but starting to get some rain. Yeah. Sitting in my car. Look at that. Look at that. I'm the only one out here. And it looks like glass. This is looking like glass this morning. Starting to get some rain though, so don't know how to go on yet. But I'm gonna go and throw lures. Let me get no hookup. I don't know how you guys are gonna see it, but hopefully by that time the sun will come up a little bit more. Just saw some bait, just a couple of yards out in front of me, making the first cast at them right now, using the spook lure. They are just a little bit out of the casting range. I was able to see properly in the water. I would walk out towards them, but it's still very dark. Don't want to walk out and then slip on a rock or something, because I can't see in the water right now. It's too dark. Good cast. Ah! Whoa! Something just hit it and spit it. Think that was a burra. Wow! And just jump and hit it. Couldn't even set my hook on him. Wow! That's nice. I'll take a couple of them today. Good gosh. It's brightening up a bit now. Sun is coming up. Wow, look how I'm been up my leader. Oh, oh, something just hit it. Come again, come again. It's following it, it's following it. Oh, come on, hit it, hit it. Oh, I followed it all the way in. Oh, see some bait. Some bait right in our shallow. Over on the other side from where I was casting this morning. Wow, look at the sunrise. Wow. That's sick. No hits as yet. Can you guys see that? There's a double rainbow. That's one part over there. A little bit closer in there's another part coming all the way around. Haven't seen a double rainbow in such a long time. Nice cast. Working these flats here again today. See if I can pick up anything barra jack snapper. Don't sure yet what I might find, but hopefully I find something in here today. I'm gonna go out on the reef. Still very early in the morning, so I'm gonna go out on the reef before the wind pick up. Hopefully we can get a few nice casts out there while it is still flat and calm. On my way there, I'm gonna start casting on the flats with the spook lure. Hopefully I might strike a, hopefully I might entice a strike. So yeah man, just stick around. As you know, when I'm out here, so always have to turn off the camera so I can save battery. So yeah man, just stick around, see if I can search out the flat once I get any hookups at all. I'll turn on the camera so you guys can see what's happening. Alright guys, so got the first hookup for today. It's a juvenile bar, is about a foot long, really small. Now go release him. Just walking around on the flats and got the hookup. Hookup was very close to me, so didn't get to turn on the camera fast enough to record me reeling it in. But yeah, off the mark for today. Really small barracuda. Try hold him up so you guys can see him again. There he is. Very small one. Really hit that lure good. There he goes. Alright, off the mark for today. I've just been casting around on the flats because it's very pretty high today, high enough today. So I was saying that I might find a couple of barras over here in the flat because it's high enough. So yeah, that was the first one, so stick around. Hopefully the next time I get a hookup, it's further away from me so you guys can see when I'm reeling it in. Fish on guys, really nice bar, really nice bar. Big barracuda. Big barracuda on. Problem is I don't have a gaff out here with me, and this is a big one, so I'm going to have to make him tire himself out. Very nice barracuda. Whoa, look at that monster barra. Just have to use the drag, make the drag do the work. Have to be careful that he not charge me when he come in. Big barracuda. Have to be really careful that you not charge me when he come in. Whoa. Sorry about that guys. Alright. He's way bigger than the net I have. He's a lot bigger than the net I have, but try my best to see how I can land him with this net. That's a big barracuda. Just I try to tire him out so that when he come in, he not charge me. Very big barra. Have to be very careful. Look at that. All right, relax, cause I got you. I got you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Woo! Monster. Alright. Don't have my knife to kill him. So, gonna have to do the next best thing. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I knew I would find them on the flats today, you know. Wow. And he absolutely bent out. Absolutely bent out my snap swivel. He did a job on my swivel. Alright. I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can put him out of misery, and then I'll turn it back on when I'm done. Look at that small remora. Small remora was on him. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Very nice bar. Probably about 10 or 12 pound. Really nice barracuda. I want to show you guys what he did with the gears. I think it's a female one, but I'm not 100% sure yet. But I do think it's a female. But look at this. Punctured the lure almost. Yeah, this lure is not good anymore. This lure is punctured. There's water inside it on both sides. So he absolutely destroyed this lure. This lure now has water inside. This lure is not gonna work properly anymore. Alright, look at the swivel. Fully bent out the swivel. The hooks, the back hook is bent out as well. Yeah man, the back. See the hole right here, so when punch at the lure. Wow, he hit that lure so hard, man. Yeah. So I think I might have to go back to my car now, because I need to change my swivel, or I might be able to cut off this one and just use the swivel directly on the split ring. Yeah. But there he is. That's a big one. Destroyed my gears. Brand new wire leader. It's a good thing I had changed the wire leader this morning, because he probably would have break the other one because the other one was bent in so many places, so it probably would have break the other one. But yeah, I'm shell out this lure. This lure have to go retire now, cause let me see if it will still swim. Take a chance and cast again. See if it will still swim. Highly doubt it will still swim. Well, it's kind of rolling over on its side. It is kind of rolling over on its side. It's still swimming, but not like it was before. So yeah, this lure is fully done with. Alright, I'm gonna see what I can do. Set up back some gears and see if I can find another one. Alright, so didn't bother go to my car. What I did, cut off the snap swivel, or the latch, cut off the latch on the snap swivel, and just attach the lure directly to the swivel through the split ring. Alright, let's see if we can find something else. Sun is bright now, so hopefully we can find something else on the flats and you guys can see it nice and clear. So I have this one string up. So yeah, this time I throw the ghost shad 70mm CMA. Whoa, what did I step on? Stepped on something. There's a little remora that was riding on the barra, and he has not left him. He's still swimming around and everything on the barra. I'm still out here on the flats. Haven't gotten any more hookups as yet, but I'm still walking around and searching out the flats. I'm gonna try it over on the reef because it's still flat over there, but the water on the flats is high right now, so searching out the water on the flats before the tide recede. Alright, here he is, guys. I think it's a female. Yeah, this one is a female. Here she is. Very nice cooler.
But if you don't want to tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things
Hey, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Also, turn on your notifications so you can be one of the first to know every time something new is posted. Thanks for staying to the end. Enough love, respect.